Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best through-the-wall air conditioners you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. For the majority of customers, an ideal air conditioner is more than just a luxury. The temperature rises to dangerously high levels, particularly in the country's hotter regions, and even your living room can become unbearably hot at times. To avoid that, you will need a decent air conditioner in your home to manage the temperature at a sustainable level. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Koldfront WTC8002W wall-mounted air conditioner. This is your best choice if you need a through-the-wall air conditioner for a small space that also offers supplementary heat. This wall-mounted air conditioner has all of the same features as our top pick, but it also functions as a heater. However, the heating function doesn't span 350 square feet like the cooling capacity. It only provides enough output for 100 square feet to warm you up, but not make you sweat. Regardless, this is an exceptional 8000 BTUs air conditioner that can serve you well in a small room. And for many people, it's the best wall AC unit with heat they'll ever need for smaller spaces in the home. On number 4, Koldfront WTC8002WCO through-the-wall air conditioner. Koldfront is one of the best wall air conditioner brands, as you can see. But what makes this model much better is that it comes in two voltages, 115 volts and 230 volts. You can use the 115 volts variant for a normal electrical outlet. For a dedicated high voltage outlet, you would want to choose the 230 volts version. The cooling capacity of this wall-mounted air conditioning unit is 12,000 BTUs and handles up to 550 square feet. That's a great size for any large room in your home. Additional benefits include a dehumidifier mode for reducing humidity, sleep mode for quiet operation, 24-hour timer, digital controls, and a remote. Temperature ranges between 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can find your perfect cooling degree. On number 3, Koldfront WTC8001W wall-mounted air conditioner. This is the upgraded model to our number 5 review, which also includes heat. This through-the-wall AC panel, however, is only available in 230 volt models, so you'll need a special outlet to power it. The cooling capacity is 12,000 BTUs, which covers up to 550 square feet, but the heating feature is only 10,600 BTUs, which limits the supplementary heat coverage to around 450 square feet, 1 foot. If you need a single through-the-wall air conditioner with heat and cooling to use in a large size room, this is going to be your best choice. The price is also much more affordable than other brands, about $100 cheaper. On number 2, Koldfront WTC8002WCO through-the-wall air conditioner. If you're looking for the best through-the-wall air conditioner for the most affordable price, then this is it. The digital controls and thermostat allow you to dial in the temperature between 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it has the added bonus of a remote control. With 8000 BTUs, it can handle a space up to 350 square feet, which makes it perfect for smaller rooms in your house, like a bedroom, office, or sunroom. With a special dehumidifying function, it can reduce the humidity indoors, making the air around you less sticky and uncomfortable. A sleep mode and 24-hour timer are also included. But the best part is that it uses 115 volts, so it can be plugged into any standard electrical outlet and be set up to run in very little time. On number 1, LG LT1016 through-the-wall AC unit. For many reasons, we assume this is the best through-the-wall air conditioner for medium-sized spaces. First and foremost, this wall-mounted air conditioner produces 10,00 BTUs and covers up to 450 square feet, making it ideal for a variety of home applications. Second, it has digital controls and a remote for fine-tuned comfort. Temperature can be set between 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Third, it has 3 comfort modes: cool, for air conditioning; fan only, for air circulation; and dry, for dehumidification. Additionally, LG's patented gold-fin anti-corrosion coating also provides a protective shielding against rust, water, salt, and acid on the condenser coil, so the unit lasts longer. Finally, it uses 115 volts, so it can easily work in any room of your house when plugged into a standard power outlet. So guys, this was the video about the best through-the-wall air conditioners. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.